All right, so check it out. I gotta replace my battery in my key fob. Well, at first I was gonna replace my entire key fob, but then I looked and saw it was 150 bucks. So I decided to do a search on YouTube and see if I could find a battery, and I did. Okay, and I found this battery here, 2032, and then this is the key fob for the Toyota RAV4. Okay, so it's real simple. The way to do it is, let me go ahead and pop the thing up here. All right, so the first thing you want to do is actually take out the key itself. There's like an actual key, so you push the little lever on the side there, that releases the key. Okay, and then in the back right there, you just use that to jimmy it open. There's a little opening there. Just use the key to jimmy it open real quick. So I'm gonna do that. All right, so then it basically pops open and exposes the board inside. So underneath this board is the actual battery that needs to be replaced. And so I'm gonna go ahead and open the new battery. Okay, boom. So we got the battery out. Okay. Now we're gonna take out the old battery. And ideally I should be at home with like a flathead screwdriver or something like that. But I'm gonna just go ahead and use my bare hands and a little bit of skill to get this out. Okay, boom. So I've taken out the old battery. As you can see, it's out. Let's move that one over to the side. Let's pop in the new battery. All right, boom. New battery in place. Now let's put it back inside of the case here. Oh, actually goes upside down like that. Okay. Put this back on top like that, and just snap it back in place. Boom. And we're gonna slide the key back inside like this. Okay, and now for the first test, we're going to go ahead and start the car up. Whoa, your boy. All right, so that's it, guys. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. Oops. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and come back for future videos. Peace.